Hello everyone, this is my review of the GoSky Spotting Scope. This scope is a great choice for anyone who enjoys bird watching or wildlife observation. The high quality optics provide a clear and sharp image. Even at maximum magnification, the zoom range from 20 to 60 magnification for versatile viewing. Whether you are observing distant landscapes or focusing on intricate details of birds and animals. The included full-size tripod is sturdy and stable, making long observation sessions comfortable without any shaking. The phone adapter is a great addition, allowing you to capture and share stunning photos or videos with ease. The cleaning kit ensures your lens stay clear, and the carrying bag makes it easy to take the scope on the go. Overall, this spotting scope delivers an excellent performance. It's durable, convenient. It's a it's a must-have for people who just like watching nature, and I hope this review helps.